guide you through this endless maze.
Okay, today I'm going to be installing my new aFe short ram intake with the Lantern Ralliart duct. So this is way bigger than the stock intake, and I ordered this directly from Mitsubishi. Here's the part number in case anyone wants to order it. It costs around $100. Let's install this. We'll unbox it. aFe power. Comes with a calendar. Okay, something I'll never use. Let's see, you got the heat shield. I believe this connects to half of the air box. Some hose clamps. I guess that holds the filter. Some couplers. Box, you got the air filter. Looks like some instructions and some stickers. Another one. Or here's the instruction manual. And oh, this is the intake pipe. There you go. I think it's aluminum. So I guess that's where the mass airflow sensor goes. And I guess there's a bung here for vacuum. So yeah, I'm going to look over this engine, the instruction manual, and then we'll install it on the car. So a quick look at the instruction manual tells you what's included, all the parts and the numbers. Then you can see this is a stock Lancer air duct, where the Ralliart one is way bigger. Like, it doesn't have like this hollowed out section and this juiceless section, just one big air duct. So the instructions are pretty thorough. And then yeah, this is the air intake that attaches to the stock air box, which is half the reason I chose this one, and also for the sound. And that's it. Not many steps to installing this, so it should be easy enough. Okay, I might have gotten ahead of myself, but you can actually install or assemble most of this intake outside of the car. Just be warned that the filter is oiled. It's pretty simple. It's just 3 screws holding in like the plastic coupler for the filter, and you put the rubber coupler here, 2 hose clamps, the plastic elbow and a rubber grommet, and then another coupler with 2 hose clamps here. Pretty simple. And then you could just take this to the car and make installation a lot easier. Okay, we're at the car now. First thing you want to do is, well, I read forums and stuff that you want to unplug the battery. When you first start up the car with a new intake, it has to like relearn like the airflow. And then just remember the orientation of the mass airflow sensor right there. So this comes out. Actually, you can see how much bigger the Ralliart air duct is compared to the stock one. See, this part is all airflow, and then this part, like, I don't know what that's there for, but this whole thing is like an air duct. And then we're going to be removing this half of the air box, and then all the way down to here. And then this tube right here goes to the elbow the new intake. Gotta unplug the MAF, and then I gotta get a hex bolt or a star bolt, one of those special heads to remove the mass airflow sensor, and then pretty much the rest is garbage. Okay, so I found the right screw head for this. It's going to be a T15 size one. So all you have to do is basically just unscrew these two screws right here, take off the MAF, put on the new intake and then screw back with the supplied screws. Alright, so we can take out the MAF. Just be careful with it because it is a very critical sensor. And it just slides in like that with a new intake. And then all you need is the supplied screws. And all it needs is a flathead screwdriver. So yeah, I'm gonna finish screwing that in, and then I'm gonna start removing the stock intake and that side of the air box. Alright, finally got the intake off the throttle body, disconnected that vacuum line. So if your band isn't rusted like mine, it'll be a lot easier to take off. It's a stock air filter. Mine's pretty clean. I replaced it not even like 8,000 miles ago actually. And this part's gonna be garbage. That, all you really need is this half of the air box. Then this pipe goes here approximately, and the rest of the air box goes there. So yeah, I'm gonna set you guys down on a tripod and start installing the rest of it. Alright, so you see the filter in there. All that's left is the Ralliart air duct, which just kind of fits in there, goes over the battery, and uses these two with plastic clips. I don't know why people keep mowing their lawns every time I work in my car. And here's the Ralliart duct. does fit. You just gotta kind of fit in there yourself. Then goes in. Set you guys down again. Alright, battery back in. I'm gonna set you guys down the engine bay. So what I've read is that when you change the air intake, it has to relearn like the airflow. So when you plug in the battery and you start for the first time, you gotta idle for a few minutes. So I'm gonna do that, and then once like 5-10 minutes are up, I'm gonna start revving to see if the noise changes. So I am recording on my phone, so I'm not sure if it's gonna be the best sound quality, but should be noticeable. Oh man, I'm an idiot. I forgot to plug in the math. So I'm gonna set it to relearn again. Alright, this time math is actually plugged in, so I won't get an error code. Okay, no check engine lights or any error codes. I'm gonna give it a couple minutes and then we're gonna throw in some revs. Okay, seems to be idling fine. Give it a few revs. Don't want to piss off the neighbors. And close the hood. I'm gonna take it for a drive around the neighborhood. Yeah, you can see my idle was fine. Before, when I plugged in the, or I didn't plug in the map, it was at like 1500 and threw a bunch of arrow lights everywhere. So don't forget to plug in the map. But yeah, now when I rev it, I can hear a little more intake noise. And when I'm driving it, I don't really notice anything different about the power wise, but I did buy this intake mainly for the sound. So just remember, it's not really going to improve anything without like a significant tune or anything, but I just like the sound. And when you do install an intake like this, I'm not sure if it voids warranty or anything. My car is way past the warranty anyways, so it didn't matter to me.